The Automotive welcomes viewers with a focus on understanding vehicles. The channel's core philosophy centers on in-depth automotive knowledge. The emphasis is placed on comprehensive understanding rather than superficial aspects. The channel aims to provide accessible and technologically sophisticated content. Animated automotive schematics visually reinforce the channel's commitment to technical. Hesitation or jerking during car acceleration signals an engine performance issue. Diagnosis involves checking several key areas of the engine. The mass airflow sensor is a crucial component to inspect. The fuel system's functionality should be thoroughly evaluated. The ignition system needs to be assessed for proper operation. Oxygen sensors and the catalytic converter also require examination. A malfunctioning mass airflow (MAF) sensor can disrupt the engine's air-fuel mixture calculation. The MAF sensor's primary role is to measure the amount of air entering the engine. Inaccurate readings from the MAF sensor lead to incorrect fuel injection by the engine control unit (ECU). The ECU may inject either too much fuel, resulting in a rich mixture, or too little fuel, creating a lean mixture. An imbalanced air-fuel mixture can cause the engine to hesitate during acceleration. Engine hesitation is a symptom of the engine struggling to maintain consistent performance. Cleaning the MAF sensor can resolve issues from dirt or debris. First, detach the MAF sensor from the vehicle. Gently spray a specialized MAF cleaner onto the sensing wires. Allow the cleaner to dry completely before reinstallation. Reinstall the sensor to ensure proper engine function. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering fuel into the engine cylinders. Clogged fuel injectors impede the flow of fuel into the engine. Restricted fuel flow leads to a lean air-fuel mixture, where there is more air than fuel. A lean air-fuel mixture causes hesitation during acceleration. Fuel additives can help dissolve minor blockages in the injectors. Professional cleaning services can remove stubborn deposits and restore proper fuel delivery. A fuel filter ensures that clean fuel is supplied to the engine. A dirty fuel filter restricts fuel flow, causing engine starvation. Engine starvation can lead to hesitation and reduced performance. Regular fuel filter replacement maintains optimal engine performance. A failing fuel pump can cause insufficient fuel pressure. This is especially noticeable during high fuel demand, such as acceleration. Testing fuel pressure is crucial for diagnosing a weak fuel pump. Low fuel pressure readings often indicate a failing fuel pump. Proper fuel pressure is essential for optimal engine performance. Worn or fouled spark plugs can lead to engine misfires. Misfires often manifest as hesitation or jerking during vehicle operation. Regularly inspect spark plugs for signs of wear, damage, or carbon buildup. Wear includes erosion of the electrode material. Damage may involve cracks or fractures in the ceramic insulator. Replace spark plugs as needed to maintain proper engine ignition and performance. Faulty ignition coils can cause engine misfires. These misfires often result in acceleration problems. A multimeter is used to assess the condition of each coil. Measure the resistance of each ignition coil. Replace any coils with resistance outside the manufacturer's specified range. Oxygen, O2. Sensors are critical components in modern engine management systems. These sensors provide feedback to the engine control unit, ECU, about the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. This feedback is used to regulate the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion. A defective oxygen sensor can send incorrect data to the ECU. This results in an improper air-fuel mixture, potentially reducing engine performance and efficiency. Replacing faulty O2 sensors ensures accurate readings and restores optimal engine performance. Oxygen sensors are generally positioned both before and after the catalytic converter in an engine. The upstream sensor is responsible for monitoring the air-fuel mixture as it enters the catalytic converter. The downstream sensor's function is to assess the efficiency of the catalytic converter. These two sensors work in tandem to ensure optimal engine performance and emissions control. A catalytic converter is a component of a vehicle's exhaust system. Its primary function is to reduce harmful emissions. A clogged catalytic converter restricts the flow of exhaust gases. This restriction leads to a decrease in engine power. Drivers may experience hesitation during acceleration. Diagnosis involves visual inspection or back pressure testing. A clogged catalytic converter restricts exhaust flow. Restricted flow increases back pressure within the exhaust system. Increased back pressure forces the engine to exert more effort. This added effort reduces the engine's overall efficiency and can cause acceleration hesitation. Vacuum leaks introduce unmetered air into the engine. This disrupts the optimal air-fuel mixture required for efficient combustion. Vacuum lines should be regularly inspected for any signs of cracks or physical damage. Damaged vacuum lines can be a common source of leaks. A smoke machine can be used to identify difficult-to-locate leaks in the system. The smoke will reveal the exact point where the vacuum leak is occurring. A faulty throttle position sensor, TPS, can cause engine performance issues. The TPS sends signals to the ECU regarding the throttle's position. Incorrect signals from the TPS can lead to hesitation or erratic acceleration. Testing the TPS with a multimeter can help determine if replacement is needed. A malfunctioning engine control unit, ECU, can sometimes lead to acceleration issues. ECU malfunctions are relatively infrequent but can significantly impact engine performance. A diagnostic scan tool is essential for identifying ECU-related problems. The scan tool can detect error codes associated with the ECU or other engine components. Identifying these error codes is crucial for diagnosing and resolving acceleration problems. Car hesitation during acceleration can stem from various engine-related issues. Key areas to inspect include the MAF sensor, fuel system, and ignition system. Oxygen sensors and the catalytic converter should also be checked for proper function. Addressing these components can effectively diagnose and resolve most. Extends gratitude to viewers for their attention and support. The channel's core mission is to promote in-depth automotive knowledge. Viewers are encouraged to understand the engineering and technology behind cars. The outro emphasizes a deeper appreciation beyond superficial aspects. A call to action prompts viewers to engage with the content. Viewers are encouraged to like, subscribe, and anticipate future content.